Here's a kind of a cool effect I made using the hard mix blend mode. It's a leaf skeleton portrait. I love how there seem to be more veins where the image needs to be brighter, and there are actually fewer veins in the darker areas. I started with a photograph, in this case of a mannequin that I have, and I added to that a scan of a leaf skeleton. And when you blow it up, it gets a little soft, but this little softness actually helps the hard mix blend mode, which is exactly what we're about to use now. So we switch it to hard mix, and you are basically done. If you say flatten, you get a good look at the effect, and you can tune the upper or lower layer with levels to get an adjustment of brightnesses that you like, but that's basically the entire effect.